Hello there, this is the results of my first week here in New Zealand. I'm here at the Victoria University in Wellington, New Zealand, and kind of the first week is just getting acclimated to some old and new tools. I'm learning everything from scratch and going through hundreds of tutorials, bit of a learning curve. Right here, this is a substance painter. So learning how to add layers and layers of different types of surfaces from scratching to rust. Seems like all tutorials and substance is about rust. So hopefully I will get away from that and start looking at other types of materials and so forth. The first time I tried to do some skin, multiple layers of painting skin on, and my first attempt to do a substance designer, also very complex, learning the node-based system here. Really excited to introduce all these materials into Unreal Engine so I can start to animate or have interactions with forms that will trigger off texture movements and so forth. So again, substance designer, bit of a learning curve, but it is exciting. Again, seems like all these tutorials have some layer of rust. It's interesting walking around the city now, looking at every tile and every piece of texture around the surface or around the city, expecting to be able to put that right into Unreal Engine. So here's some prototypes of my first form that I want to put into Unreal. And so I'm able to go down to the first floor of the university, and they have some amazing equipment. You saw there they have a 3D robot arm. That was a 3D printer, large-scale 3D printer, and these is their laser cutting facilities. It's pretty cool. You pay for your materials right there. You don't have to haul it in, and then you pay by the hour or by the half hour of laser time. I think it was like $7. Got all this done in like 10 minutes. They have amazing staff and faculty there to help you out, so there's no wasting your time. You go right to what you need to do and get it done. So this is me remodeling it back into Maya using my Illustrator files. And the idea is that this form will have a tracker stand, a Vive tracker. You won't see that arm, but you'll be able to see the box, be able to touch it, and hopefully these textures will come alive. Again, these are 20-minute textures I put in Substance Painter, but the idea is once you get this into Unreal, be able to pick it up and interact with it. The first round of this went horribly wrong. I couldn't get the scale right, and so I definitely need to get the Vive tracker in there. This is the lab that I'm working in. This is called the DeVos Lab. You can see in the corner there is my desk, and this is kind of like a cyclorama interaction that you can use within this space. And here's some quick snapshots of the university. This is the atrium. So this is all architecture, interior design, industrial design. Pretty amazing facilities. Since I've been here, they have a lot of lectures, and one of the lectures I got to go to was the Weta inside Weta Digital.